The Tiny 2 not launching. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, step by step. Okay, the first step, okay, for the first fix, it's you go here, okay, in search in Windows, and you search the the tiny, okay, the tiny 2, okay, and you run as administration. Okay, the second fix, you go to the point exe, okay, on the tiny 2, and go to the properties and go to the compatibility, okay, and go to here, and you, okay, select this option and accept. Okay, the second, the three fix, you go to the Steam, okay, and go to the here in the Steam, go to the settings, on downloads, and clear cache. Okay, and this you solve the problem. Bye bye.